Hey, just want to talk about two items that I didn't get an opportunity to give the time that I wanted to, so I'm going to include it in the recording. And for those of you who did not get the recording, I will drop it in our private group chat just for you. The first one is audio. There was a question about how do you add audio, where do you get it from, that kind of thing. So I'm going to take just a few minutes to go over that. The first thing you're going to do is in our toolbox, because remember you got to own the toolbox. You're going to select that audio button. You can search for audio using a search term, but they do have a couple that are already organized by search terms like happy, sad, pop, epic. And so when you click on it, it will drop that audio file and you'll see the wave link at the bottom of your screen. You can shorten or lengthen your audio file. You can click on the three dots and you can, then you'll see all the options that you have here. So you can adjust the volume here. You can change the beat. So if you wanted all of the elements to move to the beat of the music, that's what beat sync does. You can look at the audio effects, which allows you to fade in and fade out. You could duplicate the track, copy and paste the track somewhere else. So you've got a lot of options there. Also, when I click on that wavelength, you can also make those changes in the top of your bar here. We call this our enhance. You can make those same enhancements here and also adjust the volume. Okay, so that is how you access and use the audio. If you want, last thing, I think it only goes as far as the slides that you have available. So if you want more, then you've got to add more slides. The second thing that I didn't get a chance to talk about, at least at a high level, I am going to have a class on this topic in December, so be on the lookout for that. Is journals and how to build journals. So for this class, as an introduction, I want to just talk about templates, because at the end of the day, at this stage in your development, it's best to start with a template. So I would go back to the home page. I would search journals. And then I would actually start my creation process with a journal cover, because I think that was the question that was asked, with a journal cover that's already available, and start building from there. If you notice, some of them even already have that composition style like label, right? So you've got a lot of options here already built in. That's a good place to start as you begin to create your designs. But for a more in-depth training on exactly how to do that, I'll be offering that in December.